1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Price, $10,000. Location, Tamarack, Florida. The 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe is a wonderful reminder of an era when American automobiles were built with style, durability, and unmistakable personality. This classic four-door sedan still wears its elegant light green exterior with a matching green roof, creating a timeless appearance that immediately transports you back to the golden age of motoring. It's a car that doesn't just turn heads, it starts conversations wherever it goes. The front end proudly showcases its brilliant chrome grille, sparkling chrome bumpers, and original chrome side moldings that perfectly reflect the craftsmanship of the early 1950s. One of its most iconic design features is the split front windshield, giving this Plymouth an unmistakable vintage character. Paired with its original style hubcaps and solid steel body, the car maintains an authentic factory look that collectors and enthusiasts truly appreciate. The seller proudly states that this Plymouth still retains all of its original parts, making it an increasingly rare survivor in today's classic car market. Finding a 76-year-old automobile that remains this complete is becoming more difficult every year. For anyone searching for originality rather than heavy modifications, this sedan represents an exciting opportunity to own an authentic piece of American automotive history. The best part is that this classic isn't just meant to sit in a garage. It runs and drives, allowing you to experience vintage cruising exactly as drivers did decades ago. Equipped with its traditional 3-speed forward transmission, every shift delivers the nostalgic feeling that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. Whether you're driving through town, attending a local classic car show, or enjoying a weekend cruise, this Plymouth promises a unique experience behind the wheel. Beyond its beautiful appearance, the 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe also represents remarkable value. With an asking price of just $10,000, it offers an affordable entry into the world of collectible American classics. The seller is motivated, needs the vehicle gone as soon as possible, and is willing to negotiate, making this an even more attractive opportunity for serious buyers. The combination of original components, classic styling, reliable drivability, and negotiable pricing makes this Plymouth Special Deluxe stand out among vintage sedans currently on the market. It's the kind of car that appeals to first-time collectors, experienced enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates the elegance of post-war American engineering. If you've been dreaming about owning a genuine piece of automotive history, this 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe deserves a closer look. Opportunities like this don't come around every day.